Hello, welcome back to the training. In this video, we are going to be looking at the SQRT function. The SQRT function is a math function, and what do we use it for? We use it to calculate the square root of a given number. So it returns the positive square root of a number. The SQRT function is very simple. It's just simply SQRT. You type it SQRT and then you put your value, your number. So it calculates positive square root of a number. It returns the number error if it is a negative value. It works well with absolute to handle negative values. And then, of course, for complex numbers, use the IM SQRT. Then the SQRT function is commonly used in financial modeling, physics, and statistical calculation. This function is simple yet powerful function for mathematical operations in Excel. So now let's go into the Excel sheet to see how to apply this. Now, so we have some values here, and I'm going to add a negative value, some negative values. So now let's say equals SQRT. We want to get the square root SQRT. So all we just need to do is pick the value, close the bracket, hit the enter key, and you get the square root of that value. Okay? So now let's apply to every other. So you see that it gives me the square root of 100 is 10. The square root of 1000 is 31. And if I put 10,000, I get 100. Okay? All right. So you can see that because these are negative values, you have the norm error. So we are saying for this type of negative value, you can put it inside an absolute function. That is ABS. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let me do like this. Let me put square root of absolute. Okay? Square root of the absolute of the number. So good. So I placed absolute here, and the absolute function is not accepting square root as a parameter. So but the square root is accepting absolute as a parameter. So that is very fine. So now with this, I can apply to this. So you can see that the negative value with the absolute, so the ABS converts negative value into absolute. That is whole number. Okay, so you can see that we're able to calculate. So whenever you are dealing with negative values and you still want to find the square root of whatever value is this, despite the negative, then you will put that negative value into an absolute function to be able to convert. So the absolute function is just simply ABS. It takes a negative value and turns it to a positive value. So what we've done is put it inside the SQRT to help us turn the negative value into absolute before applying the square root to it. So if the values are positive, then you don't need to put ABS. It's not important. Okay, so that is the square root function SQRT, the math function in Excel. See you in another session. Bye for now.